In this video, I will show you how to join the Monopoly Go official Discord trading group. So let's jump straight into it. So the best way to go ahead and join the Discord trading group is if you actually open up Monopoly Go on your device and you want to click onto the three bars in the top right hand corner to open up the menu. From here, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto join us. And you can see all the different ways you can join the social media networks for Monopoly Go. Now you can see the Discord group is actually here. So if you go ahead and press the green Go button next to the Discord link to the official Discord group for Monopoly Go. So you just want to go ahead and press accept invite and you'll be taken to the welcome page like this. Now if you look in the different servers, you've actually got a trade-in section. And from here, you can trade your different stickers. So you can see you've got 1 to 3-star trade-in, 4-star trade-in, 5-star trade-in, as well as trade-in stickers for stars and stickers for stickers. Now what's really good about the Discord trading group is there is a trade-in reputation section. And what you can do is use this to check the reputation of different people that you want to trade with to ensure that the trade that you do is genuine. And, you know, of course, the higher the reputation the person has, the more likely the trade is going to be genuine. So that's how to go ahead and join the official Monopoly Go Discord trading group. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.